Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the course Introduction to Cellular Network. In our last topic, we had covered the GPRS. From now onward, we will cover the topic of H. So let's start. In today's topic, we will study in the introduction of H, then some releases of H. After that, we will see the architecture of H. And our last topic will be some changes in GPRS that lead us to the H network. So let's start. H is an evolution to the GSM mobile cellular phone system. The name H stands for Enhanced Data Rate for GSM evolution. Now question is why H? Data rate जो हम GPRS में achieve करते हैं still very less as promised by the 3G. So reason of achievement of more data is one of the reason in the invention of H. Second is the delay in the deployment of 3G. So a new network named H emerged which gives the facility of more data rates than GPRS. GSM H evolution system may also be known as eGPRS or Enhanced General Packet Radio Service System. We can also say that eGPRS is provide you the services of enhanced GPRS with packet switching services or provide enhanced circuit switch data services. It means that the enhancement in high-speed circuit switch data is in the form of enhanced circuit switch data, whereas enhancement in GPRS is in the form of eGPRS. So let's see the different releases of H. There are two releases of H so far. First release is released in 1999, which was deployed in 2002. This release supports the data rate about 384 kilobits per second, whereas in next release, in release 2000, which was deployed in 2003. Extension given in this release that H network from now onward has the support of voice over IP. Let's discuss the architecture of H. Architecture of H and GPRS is similar except one or two things. Some hardware changes have done and at some different modules, some software changes are also done. If you see in this slide, enhancement for H was done on base transceiver system, base controller system, SGSN, MSC and GGSM. So software changes are done on these 5 different entities, and on BTS some hardware changes are also done so that high data rate can be achieved. Some other changes that are done for H in GPRS. One important change is the modulation scheme. As we know, modulation scheme in GPRS is Gaussian minimum shift key, which also be known as GMSK. Whereas in H we use octagonal phase shift key, also known as 8PSK, due to which we have more the hardware and software for H. In GPRS, one modulation symbol represents only 1 bit, whereas in H, one modulation symbol is represented with 3 bits, so that is why we achieve approximately 3 times higher data rate in H as compared to the GPRS. Another main difference that amplitude in GMSK is constant, whereas in 8PSK amplitude is varying depending on the data requirement. So with the change in amplitude, the system is less robust as compared to the GPRS because the noise interference changes are more due to the variation in the amplitude. So these minor changes in the hardware and software boost the performance and we achieve more throughput as compared to the GPRS in H. That is for the today topic. Allah Hafiz.